everybody, thank you for tuning in to my video. If this is your first time here, my name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. So we are continuing with our Christmas DIY series. Let's jump right into it. So I wanted to create some party favors for Christmas using this Hershey chocolate, and I've been seeing these videos on YouTube. So I am using a pretzel bag. I cut these cardstocks out using my Cricut machine. These will go around the chocolate. This is like a topper that will go on top of the bag, and this is a tray. So you'll see exactly how that's going to look in a second. This is the tray that the nuggets will be sitting on, okay? And I also have some double-sided sticky dots so that the chocolate would not move. And let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to apply our cardstock on top of the chocolate, like so. And what I'm going to seal those with is some double-sided tape. And this is what you will end up with, and you want to continue this throughout the whole process for all of the nuggets, okay? So you're just putting the cardstock around the nuggets. That's our first step. I have wrapped a total of 5 nuggets, and then I added the double-sided sticky tape on the back, sticky dots, I'm sorry. So the next thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and fold those score lines that my machine created. And like I said, if you do not have a Cricut machine, you can just maybe use a ruler or just mark it with a pen or a pencil, and then just go ahead and score those lines. Okay, so this is the tray that I mentioned earlier. So this is how all of my nuggets would sit. It would lay in that tray perfectly fine. So I'm just going to go ahead and place them down. I'm going to try to remember the spacing that I created the first time. So all of my nuggets are on the tray, guys. This is how it looks. Nothing is falling out. It's very sturdy. So now you can go ahead and add it to your cellophane bag, pretzel bag, whatever you want to call it. I'm just going to go ahead and place that in. Now, I'm not going to bring it all the way down to the end because I still want to place my top on. And that's perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop there. I'm going to remove this clear protector at the bottom. I'm going to fold that under. Okay, and now we have something that looks like this. So I also put some double-sided tape on this cardstock. So am I going to remove? Not yet. So I don't want to remove that just yet. I want to add something extra. So I do have this glitter cardstock that I feel will be great to offset the gold in the wrapper. So I want to go ahead and cut a smaller piece of the gold. Okay, so I'm going to make a smaller rectangle shape, and I just eyeball that, as you all can see, to maybe fit like this in the middle. And then I also want to incorporate, I've been pinching off this, you guys. I also want to incorporate this foxfur leather. Like I said, I've had several other projects using this leather, and I'm almost out, so I'm just using as much as I can. Okay, so now it is offset in this layer, and we will have something that looks like this. So I'm going to go ahead and put these 3 together. Okay, so this is how we're looking with our topper, and I'm glad I decided to do this. It turned out really nice. Now, to get that 3D effect, I did use this foam tape that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. It's double-sided. So the final and last step is to place our topper on. right, and this is the final reveal, guys. This is how it turned out. Really cute, simple, and easy. I really enjoyed creating this. This turned out really nice, and I would definitely be creating more of these. Okay, guys, so that's the end of the video. If you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you love the video, make sure you share it with your family and friends. Stay tuned because we have plenty of more videos coming soon. Bye.